All this was sent by Huawei Malaysia for us to do a quick unboxing and hands-on to share with you guys the first look of the Huawei MatePad Pro. Let's begin with the unboxing. This is the box of the Huawei MatePad Pro. On the box you can see it features Harman Kardon Tune sound, Kirin 990 processor, Huawei app galleries, and received TÜV Rheinland certification. This is the 8GB of RAM with 256GB onboard storage. Let's remove the plastics. Upon the box is lifted, you are welcome with the tablets. Next, there are two white boxes. One of the boxes stored the quick charge 20W power brick. Second box, it has the SIM ejector tools, some documents. Because it doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack, it bundled with a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio dongle. Lastly is the USB Type-C cable. It features quad speakers on the tablet, two on the right side with USB Type-C in between, and the other two on the left side along with the power buttons. There's a SIM slot tray, but it's actually a NM card slot for storage expansion. On the back of the tablet, it has a single 13MP camera with LED flash and a microphone. It uses aluminum back and frame to have a lighter weight and durable build. Let's power it on and roll the text back. There wasn't much flagship Android tablet option out there that competing with the Apple iPad Pro, and the Huawei MatePad Pro is here to fit in the slot. The Huawei MatePad Pro, just like from its name, is meant for business, and it comes with their own M Pencil stylus that take over 4092 level of pressures. It also comes with a magnetic smart keyboard that works as a case. I can actually type it comfortably even though it has a rather compact design. By working just on the tablet, the soft sharpened edges are very comfortable to hold and wouldn't make you feel discomfort for holding it a long period of time. Both of the M Pen and the smart keyboard doesn't require to charge separately, as the tablet allows both-way charging. You automatically power the keyboard and charge the M Pad when attached to the MatePad Pro. The MatePad Pro sports a 10.8-inch WQXGA with 2560x1006 resolution, which is at 16:10 display ratio. It has a very narrow size bezel that offers over 90% screen to body ratio. It has a hole punch knot on the top left side corner of the display. Because it uses LCD display technology, the hole punch will have some kind of shadow near to the notch. This is not saying the display is not good. Matter of fact, this is one of the best LCD tablets that I ever used. It has an extremely bright display at 540 nits, DCI-P3 cinematic color gamuts, and received certification by TÜV Rheinland where it reduces blue light to protect eye health. Under the hood is the latest Huawei Kirin 990, but without the 5G modems, as Malaysia currently is only getting the Wi-Fi version. This is the flagship chipset that you can find on the Huawei flagship devices, so the performance will not be disappointed. It has a generous 8GB of RAM and speedy 256GB UFS 3.0 storage, which is capable to run smoothly on tablet and desktop mode. Coming to apps, the Huawei MatePad Pro will be having their own Huawei mobile services. Most of the works and productivity apps are available to download through the Huawei app gallery or from the app's official website. Huawei managed to stuff in an enormous 7250mAh batteries in these tablets, and the tablet supports 40W wired fast charging and as well as 15W wireless fast charge. There we can use the Huawei MatePad Pro to charge other Qi-enabled devices. The Huawei MatePad Pro also features multi-screen collaboration that allows you to connect your Huawei or Honor phone to the tablet wirelessly. You can use the phone and tablet concurrently without the need to switch between. Here are some questions that you guys asked on my Facebook page. First question by Sherry Pui. LL, I didn't choose to buy in the end, no free pens and keyboard. Unfortunately, you have missed out the first wave of the first sales where they bundle free M pencils and also the Huawei Smart Magnetic keyboards. Second question by Put, keyboard included, price, can install third-party GMS. Unfortunately, the first wave of the bundle with keyboard and M pencils has ended, so the keyboard now are sold separately for RM499 ringgit. If you're asking about third-party GMS, unfortunately no. The Huawei MatePad Pro will be running on the Huawei mobile services, and you'll be relying on the Huawei app gallery. Third question by Shah Reza Muhammad. I want one. You can visit to shop.huawei.com/my. The last question by Martin Wong. Does it perform closer to a laptop computer compared to iPad Pro? Is it true that it comes without Google apps? Anyhow, it's not a biggie, as there's a lot of replacement apps as long as we can sync to our Google account. This is a very good question. Due to the tablet running on Android and it has EMUI desktop mode, the user experience will not be as same with Windows or macOS environment. I would say it's like Chromebook with full-fledged Android. It works great on web-based applications with additional Android apps supported. Hope you guys like this video. So give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icons to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.